Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust camber on a Toyota Tacoma. First, understand that camber is crucial for tire health and vehicle stability. When your wheels lean too far inward or outward, it creates uneven pressure on your tires. This can lead to rapid wear on one side, costing you money and affecting your driving experience. Correcting it yourself is a straightforward process. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools. You'll need a reliable floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands for safety, and a good set of wrenches, specifically a 19mm wrench. Always work on a flat, stable surface. Once parked, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the front wheels while the vehicle is still on the ground. This makes removal much easier later. With the front wheels off, you'll see the lower control arm. There are 2 large bolts, often called eccentric bolts, that control camber. Loosen both of these bolts. Now, carefully rotate the eccentric washers on each bolt. This movement will push or pull the lower control arm, changing the wheel's vertical angle. Use a digital angle finder or a level to check your progress. Once you've achieved the desired camber setting, securely tighten both eccentric bolts. It's critical to torque them to the manufacturer's exact specifications to prevent future movement. Reinstall your wheels, lower the Tacoma, and then fully tighten the lug nuts. A professional alignment check is always recommended afterward to confirm your adjustments. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.